Fiyah with ChefAniyah. Today we're going to do wings 3 ways. Tune in. Here's a list of the ingredients that you will need to make the 3 wings I'll show you in this video. Alright, now let's start with the honey garlic wings. Season your wings with salt, pepper, and ground ginger. I use about a tablespoon or 2 each. Here's what they look like, all seasoned up and ready to go. Deep fry your wings for about 7 to 10 minutes or until golden brown and crispy. When your wings are ready, remove them from the grease and drain them on a pan lined with paper towel. In a large bowl, toss your wings with honey, chili flakes, and garlic. Toss until all wings are evenly coated. Bake your wings for about 15 minutes, then serve. Now let's work on the barbecue wings. Season your wings with paprika, lemon pepper seasoning, and salt. Toss until all wings are evenly coated. This is what mine look like ready to go. In this bowl, I have 2 eggs and about 1/3 cup of water. Take this mixture and pour it over your seasoned wings. Make sure each wing is covered with the egg mixture. Take your wings and toss them in flour. I like to season my flour with a little bit of salt and pepper. Deep fry your wings until they are golden and crispy. Then remove them from the oil and drain. Immediately toss your fried wings in your favorite barbecue sauce. I like to use Sweet Baby Ray's with a little extra brown sugar. When each wing is coated with barbecue sauce, they are ready to serve. Last but not least, I wanted to give you a meatless option, so we'll be making fried cauliflower. Mix together flour, cornstarch, and baking soda. Add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of hot sauce. I use Frank's Red Hot. Add 1 cup of water and stir until the mixture is smooth. If needed, add in extra water until your mixture looks like this. Pour this mixture over your cauliflower and toss until each floret is covered with the mixture. Take about 2 cups of breadcrumbs and season it with Italian seasoning. Then coat each floret in breadcrumbs and then fry until golden brown. You can toss your fried cauliflower in any type of sauce you like, but we like to just eat ours plain. Time to plate up. This has been Cookingfiyah with ChefAniyah. Until next time. Like, subscribe, and follow us for more.
Hey, hey!